Hey guys, welcome to Spice and Mix. So today I've come up with another new recipe. Today we are going to prepare puran poli, but this is dudi puran poli. So let's move into the recipe. So for ingredients, here we are going to take half cup of condensed milk. This is the condensed milk that I've purchased from the shop. You can make this milk at home as well. Next ingredient is powdered sugar. Half cup of sugar I have taken. If you want, you can take more sugar, but half cup is sufficient, I guess. Now this is about 1 cup of grated bottle gourd और दूधी. I have grated it, कद्दूकस किया है मैंने इसे, और इसका जो पानी है, whatever water content is there, I have squeezed it out. मैंने इसे मसलिन क्लॉथ में बांध के इसे इसका पानी जो है वो निकाल दिया है, स्क्वीज कर दिया, निचोड़ दिया है. So after squeezing it, we would be using about 1 cup. नेक्स्ट वी नीड इज़ मिल्क. दूध लगेगा हमें. यहाँ पे मैंने 1 कप ऑफ फुल फैट मिल्क लिया है. 1 tablespoon ऑफ घी. 1 tablespoon इज़ मोर देन इनफ. सो हियर आई हैव टेकन अ नॉर्मल पैन. into this I have added ghee and we will allow the ghee to become hot. Once the ghee becomes hot, you feel that the ghee is hot enough, we would be adding our milk in this. Pour the milk, 1 cup of full fat milk that you have taken, and allow it to come to a boil. So guys, after 10 minutes our milk will come to a boil, and after it comes to a boil, now starts the real procedure. Turn off the flame to low. Don't turn it off. Put the flame to low and allow it to simmer for a while. After a minute, add condensed milk, and after adding condensed milk, the milk will start thickening. After it starts thickening, as I told you, we would be adding grated dudi or grated bottle gourd in this. Okay, you can only see to yourself in the video that the milk has reduced well, and we need to reduce the milk to that consistency only. Now we would be cooking this bottle gourd on medium flame. So guys, after 45 minutes, our dudi stuffing is ready here. Now for the dough preparation, here I have taken maida or all-purpose flour, about 1 cup. This is about half cup of water for kneading of the dough. Okay, and we would be taking salt as per our taste. So now when I am preparing the dough, or when I am kneading the dough, I would be adding about half teaspoon of baking powder also in this. So guys, here our dough is ready. We would be keeping it at rest for about 15 minutes. So guys, after 15 minutes, we will prepare our puran poli. Here I have taken out a small ball shaped dough. Now we would be rolling out chapatis. We would be preparing about 2 chapatis of the same shape and same size. Now 1 chapati that we have prepared, on that we would be spreading our stuffing. So in this way I have spread the dudi stuffing. Now we would be placing another chapati on the top of this. So we would be rolling it out very lightly so that both the sides or both the chapatis stick to each other. So if you can't roll out the chapatis of the same size, you can roll out a big chapati and then you cut it out of the same shape. That is also fine. Or else you can even make cups out of the dough, and you can place the puran poli stuffing in the center and then roll it back as you do for the normal puran poli. That is also fine. So now it's time for frying of puran poli. So guys, here you can see that I have put sesame on top. Okay, so you can also put the sesame, not compulsory, just for decoration purpose. So after one side has been roasted well, we will apply ghee to the upper side, and then we would be flipping on to the other side. So all the procedure remains same as that of the normal puran poli or chapati that we prepare. So guys, in preparing of this dudi puran poli, we would be needing lots of ghee or clarified butter. As you can see, I had applied ghee on one side, then I flipped it onto the other side, and then again now I'm applying ghee on the upper portion, because this ghee helps in fluffing out of the puran poli, and it will make the puran poli a bit softer and a bit tastier to eat. So we would be nicely frying the puran poli on one side. Okay, and then you will flip the puran poli onto the other side, just a final flip. So you can see here it has turned nice golden brown in color, and here our puran poli is ready. And as I told you, we are applying ghee, and lots of ghee here. This puran poli is ready to be served. So guys, our Dudi Puran Poli is ready here. You can see it is so soft. It is super soft that you can, tear it out or break it with your single hand. So please do try this at home. It is super yummy. Trust me guys, it is super yummy to taste. You can have this Puran Poli with kheer also, rice kheer or sevaya kheer. So please do try this at home. So guys, if you like this recipe, please do give a thumbs up and also share this, and please do subscribe to Spice and Mix if you haven't subscribed yet, and also press the bell icon. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video.